Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to delete your Netflix profile. To delete a Netflix profile, first of all open up a Netflix application or log into netflix.com on a web browser. Either way, once you get to the home page of Netflix after signing in, go ahead and mouse over to your avatar at the top right corner and click on Manage Profiles. After selecting Manage Profiles, click any one profile that you want to delete. After you select a profile that you want to delete, scroll down and then click on this Delete Profile button. Confirm the deletion by clicking Delete Profile once again, and you will then be able to delete the selected profile for Netflix. So that is how you will be able to delete a profile on Netflix. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.